Convert the following angles to degrees. You can see the angles have been given in radians. We are to convert them to degrees. First, for us to convert these angles, we are going to make use of the following. We know one complete revolution 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi radians. It is the same as saying 2 pi radians is equal to 360 degrees. Next, if we divide both sides by 2 pi, the reason why we are dividing both sides by 2 pi is simply because we want to obtain 1 radian in degrees. 2 pi rads divided by 2 pi is equal to 360 degrees divided by 2 pi. 2 pi will strike off 2 pi, we'll be left with 1 rad is equal to 360 degrees over 2 pi can be simplified. This will give us 180 degrees over pi. You can see this is 1 radian in degrees. Knowing this, we can be able to convert the following angles to degrees. For A, we are to convert pi on 2 radians to degrees. For us to convert pi on 2 radians, we are going to multiply both sides of this our equation by the constant pi on 2. Take pi on 2 times 1 rad is equal to pi on 2 times 180 degrees on pi. Pi on 2 times 1 rad gives us pi on 2 rads equal to, simplifying the right hand side, pi will strike off pi. We'll be left 180 degrees divided by 2, which is 90 degrees. Therefore, pi on 2 rads is equal to 90 degrees. For B, we have to multiply both sides by the constant pi on 5 times 1 rad is equal to pi on 5 times 180 degrees on pi. Pi on 5 times 1 rad gives us pi on 5 rads is equal to, we have to simplify the right hand side. Pi will strike off pi. We've left 180 degrees divided by 5, which gives us 36 degrees. Therefore, pi on 5 rads is equal to 36 degrees. We go to C. To C, we have to multiply both sides by the constant 2 pi on 3 times 1 rad is equal to 2 pi on 3 times 180 degrees on pi. 2 pi on 3 times 1 rad gives us 2 pi on 3 rads is equal to, simplifying the right hand side, the pi will strike off pi here. 180 divided by 3 gives us 60. 60 times 2 is 2, it gives us 120 degrees. Therefore, 2 pi on 3 rads is equal to 120 degrees. For D, we have to multiply both sides by 4 pi on 5 times 1 rad is equal to 4 pi on 5 times 180 degrees on pi. Pi will strike off pi. 180 degrees divided by 5 gives us 36. 36 times 4 is equal to 144. This will give us 144 degrees. Therefore, 4 pi on 5 rads is equal to 144 degrees. For question E, we have to convert 11 pi on 10 rads, multiplying both sides by 11 pi over 10 times 1 rad is equal to 11 pi on 10 times 180 degrees all over pi. 11 pi on 10 times 1 rad gives us 11 pi on 10 rads equal to pi will strike off pi. 180 degrees divided by 10 gives us 18 degrees times 11. It's 11 gives us 198 degrees. Therefore, 11 pi on 10 rads is equal to 198 degrees. This is how we convert angles from radians to degrees. We simply multiply both sides of this equation, 1 rad equal to 180 degrees over pi, by the value of the angle in radians. We are done with the solution. If in case you have any questions, you feel free to leave your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.